هلا شو اخباركم؟ عساكم بخير. Hope you guys are all doing well. I'm headed off to the engine to check up on Project Ben. The engine arrived. They've put it up on the jack. Caro wants to come. They've put it up on the jack. They're getting the old engine out and putting in the new one. We'll take the taco. Seems I do not have the key. Let's try that again. Now I have the key. And we're set to go. Time. First coffee, I think. I need a coffee. It's been a long day. I've been on the road the whole day. Time to actually go do something I enjoy doing. So let's do a quick recap on the channel. So this channel is all about building overland vehicles and taking them out and using them on some of the most remote places in the country. And I'm currently working on a Land Cruiser 80 series, which we're doing a full conversion on right here at the engine. واصلين المحرك. اليوم قمة سيارات موجودة. طبعا ال Project Ben is somewhere at the back هناك. هنروح نشوفها بعدين. We'll go check it out in a bit. Let's go say hi to the guys. حياكم الله. مو الأخبار؟ كيف أموركم؟ عساكم بخير.
تفضل.
ها أنت مو تسوين أنت. مو قابلنك.
صح طيبين.
تعرفوها المخلوق؟
لا والله كيف الحال؟
هذا الوحش. هيروز كلهم هنا اليوم.
It's always good to say hello to the guys, but I was here for one purpose, and that was to check out how Project Ben was going.
So what we've done up to now, the engine has been removed, the old engine, as you can see, transmission, it's all gone, and they're cleaning up the inside. We're going to be spraying a chemical to get rid of all the soot that's around here, and then hopefully put in the V8.
So far we've removed the old engine and the car is currently being cleaned, totally detailed from the inside. We're then going to be adding the new engine onto this car and then putting it up for paint and dealing with the rest of the stuff. I'm pretty happy with the way that this build is going. Still a bit too slow for me, but we're getting there.
هذا طبعا الانجن القديم 6 سلندر. شوفوا EFI engine. 30 years old, so it needs a little bit of maintenance, but we're gonna most likely put it into storage. This is a 1,000,000-mile engine, right? It can always get fixed.
The question that everybody's been asking me is what engine did we go for? I wanted an LS3 engine, but we went with this. I had a set budget for this build, and in that budget, this 4.7-liter V8 engine from Lexus was the best thing that Ahmed could find in Sharjah. Now, he got a really clean engine, and he got everything that we needed with it. The radiator, the water hoses, the whole package.
So that was an update on the Land Cruiser. Ahmed والشباب ما مقصرين ما شاء الله عليهم. Engine is out. We are going to put in the new engine soon. Tomorrow. قول بكرة بتفسخها من داخل. ايوه باكر بيشلحها من داخل. بعد ما يشلحها من داخل نتصل في الزجالي نشوف يحط لنا الساوند بروفينج والهيت بروفينج في السيارة ونشوف القطع اللي نحتاجها.
The most important thing in a build like this is to be able to work with people that know what they're doing. And the engine is probably one of the best garages in Oman. So I know I'm in good hands. If you want to keep up to date with this build project, then make sure that you like our Instagram page and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to keep exploring.